So nowadays we have seen that the content consumption habit of customers at large have changed a lot, and people don't really now, they are not in a habit of going to a multiplex and watching a movie. So and all the content is available on OTT also so fast. So people are wanting to have that multiplex experience at home, and BenQ is the leader in creating this experience at home for consumers at large. And towards that, we have launched 2 new projectors today, which are the flagship products of BenQ, both of them, which are primarily for dedicated media room application in the house, wherein you get a movie quality image from the projector, which is a professional movie quality image, so that when you watch movies over here, you don't really miss out going on watching it on a multiplex screen. You get the same experience. And another thing is that you can watch movies, you can watch all your matches, IPL matches for an example. If you watch these things on a television, then television these days is actually a kind of a light source. So when you watch television for a long time, it creates a lot of eye issues for you. But when you watch the same thing on a projector, you get a much bigger screen, and at the same time, it's a very soft viewing experience. You don't have any kind of eye fatigue or eye strain or eye damage. So this is also catching up a lot. So these 2 products that we have launched today are towards this kind of application. The home projector market is growing fast in India. We are seeing a growth of almost like 25% year on year on this. So that means over the next 3 years, we can expect the projector market to double in size in India. And the advancement in technology and the change in viewing habit of people are driving this growth. Overall, the home projector market in India is around, if we talk about in terms of value, then it is about close to 200 crores. That is the expected market size towards the end of this year. And this market is growing at a rate of 25% year on year. And towards the end of this year, we are looking at reaching almost 100 crore value from our home projector business. Our current market share is also quite similar. It's reaching almost 45 to 50%, and by the end of the year we would like to top it to 50% plus. So India, there is a misnomer that India is a price conscious market. India is not a price conscious market, but it's a very highly value conscious market. So, and BenQ believes in being a value leader in the marketplace. And so what that means is that while our products are not the cheapest in the market, but at that price point what we provide to our customers, none of our competitor can provide something like that. So we provide the best value to the consumer. I think this is a reason why we have such a big market share in India. India being a value conscious market. And depending upon the different geographies, different kind of cities, we have all kind of consumers. So it's the value consciousness of that consumer which is driving the growth. Projectors have got 2 parts of the market. One is the commercial use of a projector, and other is a consumer or home use of a projector. So the majority of the growth now is happening in the home side, while the commercial use of projector is almost stagnant market right now. The growth is very little over there in that segment, because a part of the market is already taken over by interactive flat panels. So if you talk about a classroom in a school, that's where projectors were used in a big number earlier. And actually we have more than 3.5 lakh installations in India in classrooms using our projectors and interactive flat panel. But what we are seeing, the trend over there is to move more and more towards interactive flat panels. So the commercial part of the projector market is kind of stagnant, and the home part of the market is growing. We have been growing at a rate of almost 30% year on year in India market, and we hope to continue this growth over the next 2 to 3 years, looking at the kind of GDP growth which is happening in India, and also to top it up, as you rightly said, the push from government to modernize education. Because just to set the perspective right, in India there are about 1 crore classrooms. Out of these 1 crore classrooms, right now only about close to 6 lakhs have got a smart class. That means only 6% penetration is there for technology in the classrooms. Balance 94% is yet to happen. And it is going to take some time, but the government investment is also a key driver towards this. And we definitely expect to be one of the big beneficiary of this push of government into education for the technology. We are looking at reaching that level towards the end of this year or maximum by middle of next year, that level. So that is our immediate goal that we have. 1,000 CR. Continuously, yeah. We are aspiring for a 30% compounded year-on-year growth. What that means is basically we are looking at doubling our turnover every 3 years. We follow calendar year.
Calendar year.
Yeah.
So can we say that by the calendar year 2028, BenQ expect India business to be around 2,000 CR?
Yes, that's the kind of plan that we have.
Yeah. And what would the growth driver in that, sir?
So growth driver will be, one of the main thing will be, of course, interactive flat panels. The education will be one of the growth drivers. And other side, consumer side, the home projector business as well as our monitor business, because monitor business for our BenQ is also growing very well. We are already a leader in the large size monitor business in India, and that's again a fast growing market. So these three is what we expect to be the main growth drivers. Like overall business wise, our business is almost equally divided between B2B and B2C. So our B2B businesses are interactive flat panel and the data projector, and our B2C businesses are our home projector and the monitor business. Both of these are contributing almost equally put together. For BenQ Corporation, India is the third largest market in the world. So our number one market is the China market, followed by US market, and followed by India market. So that way, like BenQ operations in India contributing substantially to our global business. Yeah. So first of all, BenQ India has already taken steps to be one of the first companies in our kind of business to start Make in India. So our interactive flat panel as well as our B2B projectors are primarily now manufactured in India. So especially in Projector, we are the first company which started this initiative. There is no other brand which has started the local manufacturing as of now. We don't have our own factory at this point of time. We are getting them manufactured through contract manufacturers. And I am sure that in the few years to come, there will be a possibility that our group should be looking at a manufacturing setup in India. Yeah, so there are a lot of areas where we are yet to start up our business in India, and medical or health segment is one of the businesses that is there. So we do expect that our group is seriously looking at these opportunities to expand presence into India, into the other businesses as well. So we have on one side, we have the high-end precision medical electronic products, so which could include something like portable ultrasound products. Then we have complete solution for operation theaters, including the operation OT beds, OT lighting, as well as the monitors which are used while doing the different kind of operations. So primarily they are the electronic products. So I would say that we already have some presence because we already have our distributor in place for that. But definitely the group would be looking at increasing this presence a lot, looking at the opportunity of India market in future.
Yeah. So that presence is through dealers, not company direct?
Right now it's not direct, but in future we expect that direct also should be there.